Even a small valuation mistake can wipe out your entire returns. How do you calculate the terminal value of a business? This was the question asked in the previous reel. So here is an answer to that question. So the formula for the terminal value of a business is equals to expected cash flow upon WACC minus terminal growth rate. Now this formula is based on the S infinity of the geometric progression. Now I am not going to go into the derivation details because that's not important. Let's discuss how do we calculate all the three variables. So first things first, WACC is something that I have discussed in my previous reel how to calculate it. So if you want to figure that out, you can watch my reel. The second variable, that is terminal growth rate, is generally taken as 3 to 4%. Now why do we take it as 3 to 4%? Because world GDP grows at 3 to 4%, and because we are determining the value of a business till infinity, the growth rate of the business has to be in line with the world GDP growth rate. So that's the reason we take it as 3 to 4%. Now coming on to the expected cash flow. Now first things first, why did we take for expected cash flow and not FCFF? So because we are calculating it till infinity, we are taking 3 to 4%. Now because we are taking 3 to 4% as the growth rate, the capex requirement for the 3 to 4% would be very less, which would inflate our FCFF. So in order to eliminate that limitation, what we did is we took the expected NOPAT and multiplied it with 1 minus expected reinvestment rate, which would be our expected cash flow. So that's how we calculate the expected cash flow. This is how we calculate the terminal value of a business. Now here is a question for you. How does the interest rate changes affects the valuation of the companies? Drop your answers and feedbacks in the comment section. This was it for today. Thank you.